UAP for UST. Mangilimotan, 1-1-2 play. Golden Tigresses. Pepito will bump it up to Balingit. Read well by the defense of UP. So far they've held Balingit in check. Dongalio picked up by Pepito. From the back row, Angge Poyos able to score.
Really want to see what Julia Balingit can do for UST.
Dongalio with a drop shot.
Thing he did nga was to sit down with the coaching staff and PTs at binigyan niya muna ng isang buwan yung team to recover from the tough grind of their last.
Pretty much intact para dito sa UST.
And those are the core players you really need. You need a setter, you need a libero, and a good hitter. So no problem for UST as Balingit hits that home.
That's her first cut shot. What a nice serve. Dongalio though popped it up and responding from the back. Sat out season 87. Had a stellar UAP season 86. Oh, wait. 12-10. Carvalho setting up Gula. Denied by Nina Itang.
Indeed.
This block is brought to you by Peri Cherry Charcoal, Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. Timeout. Coach Shaq, let's listen in to his first huddle. Jump serve. Very efficient so far. Carvalho shoots it up to Saisa Gula. And much like... Good serve as well. Running attack. Nina Itang detonating for UP. Play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now. Bilis ng transition doon ng UP. They actually played her in a tune-up tournament in Japan and discovered her skill. Dongalio hinulog. Pancake save by Arlene Wahe. Mangilimotan, pupunta sa kabila. Sara Ali, buhay pa para sa uste.
Good hustle by USC.
Mangilimotan, guiding it to Cassie. Dongalio, sent back to the friend zone. This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal, Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. It was actually Avril Bron who denied.
Good serve.
Bump set by Mangilimotan. Sara Ali, bumalik na naman.
Instant impact from the bench.
Waiting in the wings. Nina Itang. Carvalho tried to save it. Pero yung second ball. Good serve. Dongalio picks it up. Haboneta. Another block.
Of España.
Sugoy.
Well, we have Ken with that Japanese 101.
Haboneta, tinawid. Oh, Marga Altea. They're down by just 2.
Altea with that zero tempo hit.
Poyos again.
Good pass.
Sara Ali. Carvalho saving it.
Now a chance for UP. They go to Itang with that running attack.
Which so far, UST afternoon. Dongalio from the left pin. It's good. Players to try and mix things up here. Julia Balingit gets denied. Second time. Now at set point.
University of the Philippines now at set point.
Julia Balingit. Gajero. First ball. Dongalio hammers that one through. And
look at that hit from Dongalio.
And UP winning this one 25. Seha there and Jan Baklay to round out that unit for UP. Kyla Cordora getting Madriaga, reverse set to Ulango.
Good up.
Avril Bron from the right pin. Yes, sir. This is our play brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now.
So they're getting to utilize their middle blockers here.
Gahero from the pipe. Nice first ball from Kayla Cordora.
That's still good.
Noceja. It's in. Cross-court beauty from Yesha. Noceja. Ooh, 1-2 play. Really smart from Arlene.
Great instinct there, going for that 1-2 play.
This cool play brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order na.
The court very much improved.
Also much more acclimated to the system. Oh, nice
There
block.
we go.
Nabasa doon ni Bien Bancil. Cordora cross-court. Capistrano picks it up. Oh, sorry, that was Fernandez.
Good serve.
Wahe. Back quick. Papunta kay Blessing Unekwe.
Loving that set.
Saktong-sakto. A serviceable backup to Cassie Carvalho para dito sa UST. 15-13. Action picking up here. Nice block from the Golden Tiger. Look at this. Avril Bron just not letting that one go at ngayon. But found her way in playing spectacularly for you. Jelay. Nothing Coronado could do there. Gahero puts it.
Guessing or restriction in movement, but we're not seeing that from Jelay right now.
Yeah, let alone an ACL tear she suffered. Poyos. Madriaga desperately.
Poyos from the back row, still as efficient as ever.
We have a timeout.
Good pass by Det.
Avril Bron.
Getting good defense and reception.
Poyos puts it in.
You can't count Angge out. Look at that hit.
Madriaga sa gitna. Itang. Avril Bron. And the things up at one set apiece. Let's see if this combination featuring Gahero, Dongalio, Mangilimutan is actually their setter. Dongalio denied by Avril Bron. How about Ido? Angge Poyos denied by Bien Bancil.
Ganda rin ang habol niya going to that open side. To defend the opener rather. Open spiker.
Sent back was Dongalio. They go to the other side. Kian Olango. She gets that one to go. Nice reception from Jelay Gahero. Rising up was Cassie Dongalio from the right.
What Shaq mentioned in the timeout earlier. They have to defend that cross-court.
Team he coached a couple of years ago. Briefly coached UP.
Good defense by Det. Good defense by the UP blocker. And it's great to see UP with a lot of mix that's just working. Blessing with
How high she was above the net. This cool play brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order yan igual.
Player to watch is back after missing their mother league last season due to an injury recovery. When I asked about the condition of Sai Segulang, so far she shared that the
Dongalio, reception. Carvalho papunta kay Angge Poyos. Down the line hit from the pipe. Gahero. Angge Poyos. This is the time there he needs to take charge and to sit out that particular UAP season. But she's recovering nicely. But
Itang with a boom indeed.
this spike brought to you by Potato Warner, world's best flavored fry. Nakuha in time.
If it's coming from a block, you can still get that double touch, but Althea bumawi.
Abandon Marga Altea.
And that one-hand set.
Poyos with
Good
Gajero there.
defense.
Nice defense. Dongalio punctuates that run.
And Gajero just bringing in their teamwork here for UP.
Players like Cassie Dongalio, Jayla Gajero, and Kian Olango to complement her well. And as well as the vast improvement of
Squad is definitely translating this very well.
the school play brought to you by RN. Carvalho, combination play, setting up Angge Poyos. Another timeout by Coach Fabio. This lead.
That's Escobar.
Dongalio, right on. And my goodness.
Dongalio actually switching things up from the instruction of
Ang nangyari doon na ipanalo ng UP.
A lot of time together outside of trainings and their academics. Ken and Gyra.
Thank you so much, Diana. But trying to figure things out. But boy, when they execute their plays, Gyra, it's been picture. Jack has tried different combinations, but so far, hirap na hirap pa rin sila dito.
what would be their errors and also their inconsistency. Every skill.
This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
They just need in this match.
Uy,
Poyos is roofed.
Ninya. Good serve again from Bien Bancil.
Now for UST.
Sa gitna, Banagwa buhay pa. Mosel in play, what a save! Poyos trying to put it away, she can't. Gajero was denied! What a save!
Loving that block of hers.
This we thought was already over, but Banagwa maintaining her composure, denying that it's... They reclaim the lead, 12-11. Banagwa again!
Great wall of España.
Naregaluhan si Kian Olango.
Good touch by Poyos. Carvalho goes to Balingit. Cross court.
Balingit puts it in.
Strong serve.
Oh,
Itang with
speaking of strong, my goodness.
With an even stronger attack. Look at that. Banagwa answers with her own quick attack.
Finding something here as they try to extend this to a fifth and this. Gajero picks it up. Left pin attack again. Nice. Up there by Det Pepito and UST with Kyla Cordon. Balingit the serve. Nangilimutan foiled there by Altea.
Chance ball for UST.
Whoa.
1-2 play.
Cassie Carvalho.
Fooling. I mean, everyone was anticipating. She got what she wanted. 18-14. Dongalio had to adjust. Poyos from the pipe. Angge Poyos.
The player to watch out for, Angge Poyos from the back row.
Running attack. Altea cross court.
Holding this match.
Madriaga. Pinuntaan si Dongalio. Had to adjust her set a bit. Set.
Good pass.
Kian Olango. Banagwa. She was able.
The fight here in the fourth set for USC. And she's trying to finish it as well.
Balingit. Olango picks it up from the pipe. Dongalio was blocked by
Fifth set.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I mean, Banagwa just lit it up here in the fourth set. 5-18. had 6 points in set number 4, si M. Banagua. Pero, panginimutan, pinuntaan si Dongalio, nakapuntos na sa wakas. Cassie.
Perfect pass by Det. Poyos powering through those blockers.
Ang on that play brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now.
But a big thank you to
Balingit. Denied by Nina Ita.
good serve. Pepito with another perfect pass. Poyos from the back row.
Naiangat ni Cassie Dongalio. Jelay Gajero on the left pin.
One hand save by Poyos. And
Nice.
moved by Ita. It's actually battle of the middles because earlier it was Banagua who brought up the scoring for UST.
Ball popped up by Angge Poyos. Cordora was umbrella there. And Tugajero. Jazz. And that time they executed much better, but the pickup there by Escobar. Was it in or out? It was in.
Going wild. A good eye by the line judge.
Then here they save that attack by Nina Ita. What a play there by Cassie Carvalho. Man, oh man. And US.
Good serve by Nina Itang. They go to Poyos.
Good tap by Gajero. Dongalio.
Good up by Gula. Altea with that running attack.
Combination play. Inangat ni Bansil. They go to Olang on the right side. Poyos.
Good target by Poyos going down the line in that play.
Dongalio. Balingit there for the pickup. Angge Poyos again.
That's over. Banagua gets it. Back to Poyos. Cross court.
Good service from Mangilimutan. Angge Poyos denied by Bien Mansell. With an important serve. She gets it in. Poyos. Another denial. We are tied. 13 on.
Monster block.
Actually, it was Olango.
Olango was on that one.
Pepito, the pass. Poyos, another block. Balingit will send it over. Chance ball for UP. Dongalio puts it away!
UP with